Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I make the honey garlic chicken wing. I will show you the first step I'm gonna do. This chicken wing here I buy today from Costco. That's what we always like. Costco chicken is really good. But this pack right here is 6 pounds. But I only prepare I'm gonna do a half, only 3 pounds. And then after I wash it nicely and I come back and I show you all my seasoning and I show you step by step. Alright, so now I'm gonna washing the chicken. First I'm gonna turn water is cold and I like to put some salt on the water because I want chicken nice and washed. So I think about 1 teaspoon is enough. So I'm gonna, like I said earlier, I'm gonna use about 3 pounds, half of this. So that's enough water for now, and then I'm gonna fill up chicken half of the half what I'm using right now. Okay, that's about 3 pounds. That's about good enough. So I make sure clean nicely about 3-4 times with fresh water. That way chicken will be nice and clean. So I just take this side, drain up the water, the first water with the soap. So put that this way and then go back here again. So you can see chicken before I wash now, after it's much white and nice and clean now. That will go to your stomach, you want to be nice and clean the chicken. Okay, that's the second time. Put it back here again. So this is the first time I do it. 4 times going to be water is nice and clean and chicken all good to go. Okay, 3 times. Okay, this is the last time we're gonna wash, so 4 times. Chicken is nice and clean. Now you can see how nice and clean the chicken right now after I wash 4 times, and even the water nice and clean. So I think that's good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna, after I wash the chicken very nice and clean, so time to I show you the what I prepared for earlier for all my seasoning. I do marinate. I got 2 teaspoons garlic powder. I got 1 tablespoon for sugar. I got 1 tablespoon for seasoning, and I got half a teaspoon for ground black pepper. And this I have 2 cups gray flour, but I'm not gonna put on the chicken now. I will put on the chicken before we deep fry. And this one, what about honey garlic sauce I buy on a Walmart or anywhere they have it. So that's what I prepared today. So first I'm gonna like to put all the seasoning first in there here. Powdered garlic, sugar, seasoning, ground black pepper. Okay, so all's in. Now I'm gonna put chicken over. Time to make sure they are coating nice, good flavor. You can see all the coating with all the seasoning. So make sure your marinade is chicken or good seasoning. Yep, that's what I think is a good seasoning, good coating up. So I'm gonna see you a bit later on. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did mention earlier I will have make the potato french fry home make. So now I'm gonna start potato. Here I got, they call yukon potato. So I'm gonna peel the skin. That's what I will like make the potato french fry. So I start peel the skin right now. So I want potato nice and clean when we have make french fry nice and crisp. So that's what we will use for the peel the potato for safe and no cut your hand. It's very easy. So my video step by step, everybody can do it. I can do it, you can do it. And this for good for the, if you have a family, you have a kid at home, for home make french fry, and also go with the honey garlic chicken wing when I done all together. That will be very delicious and yummy. I got one done. One left. Almost there. Okay, now I feel done. I like to wash things before I cut it. I just feel a few minutes ago. I make sure nice and clean before I cut it. Yeah, I think the chicken is already done, so very easy to wash it up. And so after I feel it up done, now I cut it. I wash it, I cut it. So I think I go for I don't want too big and too small for the homemade french fry. Okay, that's done one here. Depends how you like, you cut in thicker or thinner, up to you, but that's the size I think I like. see this shape I mix. So yeah, you can home make easy. You don't need to have any machine or anything. So I think I do one more here. So yeah, my cutting French fry now done. So I'm going to put back to here, and I'm gonna be put a cold water and I get some soap for let this sit about 15 to 20 minutes before I go for the more detail about how I do put the home mix French fry together. So I see you a bit. So now I go back to the, like I mentioned on the video, so I'm gonna put cold water. Yeah, just about above the French fry. Now I add some salt, and that's for seasoning. Keep your French fry nice and crisp. That's good enough, and after you're gonna be rinse it out for the salt. So I got my chicken. It's after marinate for 2 hours. So now time to, I'm gonna put the rice flour. Like I said before, I'm gonna be put the rice flour before I deep fry. Now I'm gonna be mix with the flour coating the chicken. That way keep the chicken not only crispy outside, but they don't get dry, and all the seasoning gonna be inside your chicken, so the better for eating and delicious. So now you see all the flour, the coating the chicken nice and everything. So time to go to the stove. We're gonna start in cooking. So I see you for a bit. Okay, so now I have a medium heat. I will turn the oil 5 minutes before I deep fry. Now you can see bubbly up. Time to go, and I put about 3-4 cloves garlic in the oil. So mix the better flavor for the chicken here. So let's see, gonna put on the start deep fry right now. So you can see oil very nice and hot, ready to go. slowly you put on the oil. You don't want to put too fast, they may you get burned from the oil. So just take your time and be safe. So I think enough for right now. For after you're gonna do second time, you'll be done. For the time cooking, I say medium heat, but take up to could be about 8-10 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken wing. But you make sure they're cooked to inside, not only outside, inside still raw or red. If that didn't good, not good. So take your time, make sure cook it right. I really smell good already. Make me hungry now. So you can see the chicken wing starting getting golden color now. Turn to gold color. You need to keep turning, otherwise they cook one side uncooked. That's not good. Okay, I got done now for 10 minutes, so time to get a whole chicken out. Nice and go and cook to inside. So I make sure I take all that oil out. It's time to get all the chicken out done now. Nice and deep fried. Nice color. Okay, welcome back. After I do deep fry the chicken wing, now I'm gonna be put the sauce together and lapping for honey garlic wing. That's the sauce I'm gonna using. It all depends. If you want more, you can put more. If you don't want too much, you can put little. But remember, you have to stick, and then after you can put a little more. Yeah, I think just a little tiny more, that's be good enough. All nice and coating. Yeah, good to go. That's all done for my honey garlic chicken wing. That's so yummy. Okay, I see you there. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix the home mix potato french fry. So I got here is 1 teaspoon for seasoning, and then 2 cups of the flour. So I'm gonna mix together. I gotta put flour in, and I put seasoning. But before I put french fry, I make sure the seasoning and flour mixing very evenly. Otherwise, I don't want my french fry one side is very salty and one side no salt at all. Yeah, I think good to go. Now time to put the french fry I cut and earlier. And make sure all go in. There you go, it's all in. This one on side. Time to coating all the flour nicely on the french fry. So make sure all the way to bottom, cover with the flour, make your french fry more extra crispy. That's what you want to eat. Yeah, I think good to go. So I'm gonna be move on to deep fry french fry. Okay, so same thing. I turn my stove 5 minutes. My oil hot. Now time to put the french fry in. And let's turn a little bit heat down. So welcome back. So my cook 5 minutes now. It's a gold color, nice and crisp. So I'm gonna pour it out, and then time to put together my honey garlic chicken done. Now my french fry done. So I see you a few minutes. Hello everyone. So welcome back. Last time to try my food I done today for honey garlic chicken wing. So let's try right now. Very delicious. So yummy. I love it. very good flavor outside to inside. That's what I mean. I love it. Now let's try French fry, the one homemade. Oh yeah, enough flavor, not too salty but perfect. Nice crisp and tender. Thank you for watching my channel. So hopefully you guys like it, and I see you next video. Thank you. Bye now.